Yo, Glitter Man!
Okay.
Yes, no, what?
Wait, AJ, wait. Go ahead, Nando. Okay, 1, 2. Zoom in a little bit, Nando. 1. Go. Okay. They didn't do anything.
Impervious to air horns.
Ay! Puta, ito si AJ!
Wake up!
Si AJ, niloloko ako.
To welfare office, and then we went to... What are you doing? You look like you're about to like...
Ambush.
Yeah. Then you're like...
Hey, Jessica. Hey, Jessica.
We're all like, what are you doing? You had to go welfare office and went to, Oh! See, I knew it. I see something red coming out of your pocket. And you're like, doing your...
Oh, is he?
That's cold. It's cold. That's cold.
Hi, I'm just shooting backgrounds.
That's rude!
What's wrong? What happened?
You shook it, didn't you?
Dad, can I pick this up too? Oh, Nate, you're going with us?
What are you guys doing?
Denny's?
No, I'm gonna stay.
Oh, okay. That's a shame, dude.
Alright, sing. Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
I was in the way. You were in the way. What are you doing?
Am I the only one doing the air horn?
No iPod. Oh.
That was beauty. Did you run out?
Yeah. Open my other one. Wait, keep going. AJ, get them.
You see that couple sleeping over there? I'm about to air horn these. Ready?
MBW Arena. That's where it all started. Captain Loogie. Aerial Mayhem. Last time we were here, we're kinda going gay on each other. But the next time you come, I want you.
What the is the point? Going on my speakers.
It's like, what is this air horn day? Air horn appreciation day. I don't know.